This is what it looked like here in the city of Mississauga, Ontario during winter time. Property owners are responsible for clearing snow and ice from their driveways, parking spaces, and sidewalks within 24 hours of a snowfall ending. Snow shoveling involves safely clearing snow using proper techniques such as pushing rather than lifting and bending your knees to prevent injury. It's also important to take frequent breaks, stay hydrated, and shovel early and often to avoid heavy accumulation. Safety and technique. Choose the right shovel. Use a sturdy, lightweight shovel with a curved handle and a smaller blade for easier lifting. Warm up. Stretch before you start to prevent muscle strains. Push, don't lift. Push the snow as much as possible to reduce strain on your back. Lift with your legs. When you must lift, bend your knees and lift with your legs, not your back. Take frequent breaks. Shovel for short periods, 5 to 7 minutes, followed by short rests, 2 to 3 minutes. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before and during shoveling. Consider de-icing. After clearing snow, apply salt, sand, or cat litter to prevent ice buildup and provide traction. Wear proper clothing. Dress warmly in layers and wear gloves to protect against cold and blisters. Shoveling snow is a physically demanding activity that requires considerable exertion, especially when dealing with layers of heavy, wet snow. The repetitive lifting and twisting motions involved in shoveling can put serious strain on the heart and cardiovascular system. You can burn more than 200 calories for every half hour you spend shoveling as you use your legs, glutes, core, biceps, triceps, and shoulders to lift the snow off the ground and heave it elsewhere. How long should you rest after shoveling snow? Although it can be tempting to plow through a mountain of snow, it is better to lift lighter loads and take frequent breaks to avoid overexerting yourself. Rest for 5 minutes after 10-15 minutes of shoveling. Is pushing snow better than shoveling? Pushing the snow is better than trying to lift and toss it. Shoveling snow causes more low back injuries than any other body part. Heart attacks, cardiac-related injuries are the most serious, but fortunately only account for 7% of all injuries reported from shoveling snow. What muscles do you work when shoveling? Calories burned shoveling snow based on a 150 lb person, 408 calories, 1 hour. Muscles involved: deltoids, abdominal, erectors, lower back, quads, hamstrings, gluts, lats, obliques, many muscles, and in my opinion also great for your heart. What burns more calories, walking or shoveling snow? You can expend 164 calories mowing your lawn with a push or power mower, 162 calories walking around operating a snowblower, and 216 calories shoveling snow by hand. You can also burn 144 calories every 30 minutes raking your leaves. What to drink after shoveling snow? Drink plenty of water. Remaining hydrated during cold weather months is just as important as during warm weather months. Drink water or sports drinks before, during, and after your shoveling session, even if you're not thirsty. What age should you stop shoveling your driveway? According to the American Heart Association, adults over the age of 45 should be cautious when shoveling snow as they may be at higher risk for a heart attack or sudden cardiac arrest as a result of shoveling. Other common snow shoveling injuries involve acute back pain and the straining of the lower back muscles from overexertion while shoveling snow. As another version of muscle strain, lower back pain can also be treated without surgery. What is the best time to start snow removal after a snowfall? The best time to remove snow from walkways is after the snow has stopped falling and before the snow has been walked or driven on. It's nearly impossible to remove snow that's been compacted, so it's important to remove it when it's fresh. Should you shovel snow if you have high blood pressure? If you have known heart disease, talk to your healthcare provider or your primary care doctor before shoveling. If you've been inactive or have risk factors, such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, or diabetes, be extra cautious. If clearing snow feels too hard, consider hiring someone or using a snowblower. Doctors also recommend taking a low-dose aspirin before shoveling to help prevent heart attack. If you're elderly and plan to shovel your driveway or sidewalk, have someone with you that can call for help if needed. What not to do after shoveling snow. American Heart Association. Shoveling tips. Give yourself a break. Don't eat a heavy meal prior or soon after shoveling. Use a small shovel or consider a snow thrower. Learn the heart attack warning signs and listen to your body, but remember this. Don't drink alcoholic beverages before or immediately after shoveling. Is there a wrong way to shovel snow? Minimize twisting your body when lifting snow, as this can injure your back. Face the pile of snow front on, keeping your body as straight as possible. Make sure you have a place in front of you to dump your shovel loads. If you have to dump the load on the side, then move your feet rather than twisting your body. Should you cover your mouth when shoveling snow? Layer up with a few thin layers. This will keep you warmer than one thick layer, and you can remove a layer as needed to avoid overheating. Wear a scarf to cover your mouth, head, and neck so that warm air hits your lungs first when you breathe in. And be sure boots and gloves are waterproof to avoid dampness. What is the best pattern for shoveling a driveway? Shovel the driveway using the correct pattern. Your first pass should be directly down the middle, leaving a 5-foot section on either side of you. Once this is done, face one of the 5-foot sections and push the snow forward toward the side of the driveway. At the end, lift the snow forward in front of you. The National Safety Council recommends the following tips to shovel safely. Do not shovel after eating or while smoking. Take it slow and stretch before you begin. Shovel only fresh, powdery snow. It's lighter. Push the snow rather than lift it. If you lift snow, use a small shovel or only partially fill the shovel. Lift with your legs, not your back. Do not work to the point of exhaustion. Know the signs of a heart attack. Stop immediately and call 911 if you experience any of them. Every minute counts. Don't pick up that shovel without a doctor's permission if you have a history of heart disease. A clear driveway is not worth your life. Don't pick up that shovel without a doctor's permission if you have a history of heart disease. A clear driveway is not worth your life. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button for more of this video. Icon.